Hello friends, in today's video I am going to share with you my English learning journey, how I started my journey, how I learned this language. So my friends, as you know that I am a Hindi medium student and it was very difficult for me to speak in English because I didn't have that environment and speak in English was a very difficult task for me. If someone was speaking English that time, then I felt uh, nervous and very uncomfortable. But now I am speaking in front of you in English. Why? Because I have done lot of practice. Yes, the practice is the most important thing to speak in English. So if you also want to speak in English, just do practice more and more speak. So how I learned this language? I started from talking to myself, like when I was not able to frame sentences and I was not able to speak in front of the people. That time I used to talk to myself. Okay, like I'm working in the kitchen, and that time I all the time I think English, that now I am making tea. Okay, I'm making tea. Take 1 cup of water, pour some milk also, add 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon tea leaves, like that. And now I'm kneading the dough, I'm rolling the chapatis, like this. So all the time I used to think in English that time. Then I started doing after that I started doing mirror practice, like I'm standing in front of the mirror, and I try to give my introduction. I assume that someone is in front of me and I'm giving my introduction, like hello friends, my name is Ghazala, I am from Allahabad, UP. I have completed my post graduation, like this. So mirror practice was very good, and if you will try this practice now, so it will give you a drastic change in your personality. So please try to do this, and you will see the change in your personality. Okay, now I was doing a mirror practice. It was very good for me, but yet then I realized no, it is not sufficient. I have to do something more. So I started talking to different people. When I started to talking to people, then I realized that now I am okay, I can face the people. Because if you are doing your practice alone, then you don't judge yourself that you are able to face the people or not. And if you are going to talk to people, and you are talking, you are doing conversation, and you are discussing any topic with someone, then you will feel that now you can discuss any topic with someone or not. So talking, speaking is very important, and try to speak more and more. Okay, because now I started talking to different people, and it is giving me a very good result. And gradually I am becoming more and more confident. So try to speak, don't fear, don't be scared that you can't speak English. You can speak English. And because I am also speaking, I am a Hindi medium student, I am speaking English. Why? Because I removed my hesitation. The main two main problems are there with us. What are these two problems? Lack of confidence. The first and main problem is lack of confidence, and the second problem is lot of hesitation. Yes, these two problems all the time stop us to speak in English. So we have to overcome our these two problems. Means if we will talk to different people, if we will talk daily to different people, then our hesitation will be removed. Yes, our hesitation will be removed, and we will become more and more confident. So if we will control our these problems, then we can speak English. Because the fear that is in our mind that we are going to speak wrong English, it is very dangerous. Because when we are going to speak, we think that, oh, I'm going to speak the wrong English. What can I do? I am going to speak the wrong English, and the people will laugh at me. So this fear all the time stops us to speak in English. So we have to remove this fear, this hesitation. We have to be more confident. So please try to speak more and more and more you can. Talk to different people as much as you can, okay? And start your journey from today. You can do. First and most important thing is believe in yourself. The first and most important thing is believe in yourself. You can do it. Yes, all the time say that you can do it, and definitely you can. Okay, then start your journey. Try to speak in English. Try to do more and more practice and dedication. Yes, dedication is very important. If you will do your practice with dedication, then no one can stop you to learn this language. Okay, so start your journey and my best wishes are with you. Okay, all the best, and to start your journey from today. Goodbye, have a nice day.